Hi, this is Randy with ReportMaster Software. I'm doing this video from the mobile device that you see on your screen right now. You can have it wirelessly connected to your main computer so that while you're inputting data on a patient, you could, for instance, have a staff member up front. Let's say a new patient walks in and they're inputting a new patient into ReportMaster, or maybe you have several different staff members on different computers all working at the same time while you're using this device. Okay? It's also got handwriting recognition. You can write with a little stylus right onto the screen, and it'll turn it into text or leave it as script. In fact, if you don't need it to be text. And in addition, the way you use it, you have a little stylus. It looks like a little pen, and that takes the place of a mouse. And you just carry this thing around with you, and it's very mobile and very easy to use. I'm going to show you some of those features as we do another ReportMaster demo right here. So first of all, take a look at my desktop here. I have a folder here for patient files, and I'm just going to double-click it. And let's say this particular patient has come in, and I want to see if I have any particular notes on her that I need to recall before I treat her. Now it says here, be careful with her ankle. Let's say I remember, oh, wait a minute, and also her knee. So I write that in, good. So now I'm going to close this and save it. And now let's go into ReportMaster. So here we have ReportMaster. We're going to hit Add New or Edit Existing Charts. We're going to go into this particular date. And I'm just going to hit the drop down here and go down to the plan screen. I'm just using the stylus and touching on the screen what I want. And you know, here's your future care plan. Here we have care phase. Here we have frequency and duration of treatment. We're seeing her 3 times per week for 4 weeks. Here we have future treatment plan. What are we going to be doing? You know, adjustments, EMS, ultrasound. Let's say we want to add something to this. I'm actually just going to tap this with the stylus and hit this little icon here. And let's say we're going to say, in addition, and by the way, I've only used this a couple of times. There's been no training of it. It actually it knows. I'm amazed at how well this thing works. So in addition, we are starting, let's see, an intensive program of spinal decompression. Now, and you notice it, the only thing it didn't get, here we have V. Now, I didn't spell that very well, right? So if I just click on it, it's going to give me some choices here. I'm just going to hit it. It knew that that's what we were looking for. But an intensive program of spinal decompression. Now, if I had printed it, obviously it wouldn't have even made that mistake. But so now I'm going to hit Insert. And now, in ReportMaster, here you have this statement right here. And if I actually go ahead and produce this note, we're going to hit Write a Report from a Chart. We're going to hit that date and just hit OK on it. And it'll produce that particular note, and it'll be there. So the whole thing here is, obviously, the point and click is the easiest way to go. But if there is something you need to write in, like let's say they give you some additional data for a subjective, you just write it right there, and it takes it right there as text. And it's pretty amazing. And as you noticed, I was writing in a pretty messy way, and it actually just it took it fine. All right, so here we have the note. And if I go down to the treatment plan part, here we have the future treatment plan, and here we have, in addition, we're starting an intensive program of spinal decompression. So the whole objective here is to have a very simple way to have notes that take maybe 20 or 30 seconds to produce that are really perfect, that cover you, that really, in a very professional manner, show what you're doing and how you're treating a patient, etc. And we would actually be very happy to show you more of this. You know, we do live demos. You can call us for a free live demo. We'd be happy to speak with you. The number is 877-742-9215. That's 877-742-9215. And by the way, our price has not gone up. It's still the lowest price on the market right now for the system that actually performs the best. So give us a call. We'd like to talk with you. And thank you for watching.